In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a 3D lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. To use lock screen 3D wallpaper on your iPhone, you have to update your iPhone to iOS 26 or newer version. Once you successfully updated your iPhone, now go to your Photos app and just open the photo. Which photo you want to use as a 3D lock screen wallpaper. From the photo, tap on the share icon. In here, tap on use as wallpaper and you directly jump into your lock screen wallpaper editor. Here we can see the wallpaper preview. Now to enable 3D wallpaper, here you get this spatial icon. Just tap on that and it may take some moments to generate spatial scene or effect. Once generated, now just tap on add to save the wallpaper, and here I'm selecting set as wallpaper pair, and then I'm going to my lock screen, and here we can see I've successfully added a 3D wallpaper on my iPhone lock screen. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.